Good morning, class 6th. Our today's session is for English and our chapter's name is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Okay, I repeat again. Today's session is for class 6th English. You have two books in English, okay? So this chapter is from Honeysuckle. The book Honeysuckle, okay? Chapter is chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is Who Did Patrick's Homework? In this chapter, in this session, we will move with the introduction, summary, conclusion, okay, exercise, everything, word meanings, everything will be there. You are only to note down the word meanings and the exercise, okay, not the whole explanation. In this English chapter, first I have taken the comprehension also. I have divided the lesson into comprehension, in which you have to search the answer of it. Okay, a passage will be given, it will be related with the chapter itself, and you are only to search the answer from that passage and note it down. Okay, the answer are not been written, it is to be done by you. Okay, so let's move with the introduction first. Now in this chapter there will be two characters. One will be the boy named Patrick. One character will be the boy named Patrick. And second will be the elf. Okay, now what is an elf? An elf is a man of a tiniest size. Okay, you can say it in like jinn, if you have seen the genies, right? But in the cartoon films which you have seen, the genies are very big, very huge, you can say. Okay, but in this the genie is very tiny, and it is known as an elf. Okay, in these two chapters we will have two characters. In this chapter we will have two characters. One is Patrick, the boy, and one is elf, okay, the tiniest man. Now what is the story about? Now the story is about Patrick and elf. Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick was a boy who didn't like to study at all. Okay, I'll give you a short introduction about it, and then we will move to the main story. Okay, the story is of a boy who was not willing to do his homework. In return to the favors he had done for saving an elf's life, he assigned all his homework to do. As elf was not familiar with the subjects, he took the help of Patrick. Okay, now Patrick was doing hard work in assisting the elf. At the end, he became independent and happy. Understood? In this story, Patrick is the boy who didn't like to do his homework at all. He didn't wanted to do his homework. Okay, so what happened? One day, he found an elf. Okay, how did he find? We will see it in the main story. He found an elf and saved the elf's life. Okay, now in return the elf gave him a wish, and Patrick assigned the elf to do all his homework till the session gets over. Okay, as the elf was not familiar with the subjects, what did he do? For each and every time he seeked help from Patrick. Okay, now Patrick was doing hard work in assisting the elf, and at the end, now Patrick started liking to do the homework. He became independent, and as he became independent, he now was very happy. Okay, so this is the introduction. Now in the story we will see how this all happened. How did he met the elf? How did elf help him? In what ways? Okay, let's move to the main story. Now in the main story, it is like Patrick found the homework very boring. For Patrick, the doing of homework was very boring. He didn't like to do the homework at all. He preferred to play hockey and basketball. Rather than doing the homework, what did he wanted? He only wanted to play football and hockey, basketball and hockey. He was advised by the teacher to do his homework to learn better. Now his teacher advised that if you want good marks, you should study more. Okay, you should do your homework. He often realized that he hadn't learned many things, still did not change his attitude. Many times he felt that he is not learning, he is not knowing most of the things. But then too, his attitude of doing the homework did not change. He was still the same after knowing also that I am not able to learn anything, or my homeworks are not complete, so I am not able to know anything. He didn't bother about it. Okay. One day he saw that his cat was playing with an elf. It was a tiny man, short, shorts and short trousers. Okay, what happened one day? One day he saw that his cat was playing with an elf, and what was the elf wearing? The elf was wearing a little wool shirt, okay, and a short trouser. He shouted to be saved from the cat. Now that elf was shouting, help me from the cat, or the cat would have eaten the elf up. Okay, so the cat was shouting for help, and it promised to grant Patrick a wish if he saves its life. Now what did the elf say to Patrick? That if you save my life, I will grant you a wish. I will fulfill your one wish. Okay, now Patrick wanted this only because he didn't want to do the homework. He was not interested in studying at all. So this was a golden chance for him. So what did he do? What did he do? The elf promised to grant Patrick a wish if he saves its life. So now what happened? Patrick found someone to do his homework. Okay, and Patrick didn't want to lose this chance because now he had someone to do his homework. So what did Patrick do? Patrick felt lucky after meeting the elf. Patrick felt lucky. How? Now he found that till the end of the semester, he could tell the elf to do his homework. Okay, which was a very hard task for him. because he was not interested in the studies at all, right? So he felt lucky. He asked for his help till the end of the semester. Although the elf felt disgusted by the demand initially, yet it decided to help Patrick in his homework. Now the elf has promised, now the elf had promised that if Patrick saves his life from the cat, it would grant him a wish. Now Patrick's wish was to do the homework. So Patrick said to the elf that you have to do my homework till the end of the semester. Now the elf did not think only that Patrick would ask for such an disgusting demand, such a disgusting wish. He was not ready for it. But as he had promised Patrick to help, to grant him a wish, he had to help him. As elf didn't know all the subjects, he asked for help. Now the elf did not know about any of the subjects, most of English, maths and something like that, mathematics. So what did he do? For completing the homework, he sought help of Patrick. He asked Patrick's help for every now and then. Patrick had to read words with meanings for elf. Now the homework was to be completed, but the elf was also not known about the subjects which he was doing the homework. So for each and every time he asked Patrick for help. Now what Patrick had to do? Patrick had to read the word meanings for the elf. In solving the problem of mathematics, it took help of Patrick himself. Now if he wanted to complete the maths also, so what did elf do? Elf asked Patrick to solve the problems. History was troublesome for elf, and the most hard subject was history, which the elf was not able to complete it. So here it's trying to say that each and every subject, for most of the subject, or you can say for most of the subject, the elf sought help of Patrick. Thus it involved Patrick all the time while doing his homework. Now what happened? Though the homework was done by elf, but the elf asked Patrick's help for each and every subject. Now what happened to this? To this, Patrick was all the time available for doing the homework with elf. Patrick was reading day and night unknowingly in helping the elf. Now Patrick was thinking that I am only helping the elf and the homework is done by the elf, not by Patrick. But the truth was actually Patrick was learning a lot of things these days. Because now he had started learning. Learning in what ways? By helping the elf. He was helping the elf, and while helping the elf, he was learning also too much. So these days Patrick was reading day and night unknowingly by helping the elf. So with this, when Patrick was helping the elf, what happened? On the last day of the school, the elf left secretly through the back door. It didn't want to stay longer as the work was tiresome for it. Now doing Patrick's homework, the semester got end. Now as the semester got end, Patrick's wish was over. What was his wish? His wish was to do the homework till the end of the semester. Now the semester had ended. Now when the semester ended, Patrick's wish was also completed. So what did the elf do? At the last day of the school, the elf left secretly from the back door. Okay, it did not want to stay longer because the wish which he had fulfilled, Patrick's wish, was very tiresome for him. He had never read any of the books, but as he had promised for completing the wish, for fulfilling the wish, he had to stay with Patrick. Okay, now he didn't want some such kind of wish to be fulfilled again. So secretly he left from the back door. At the end of the semester, Patrick surprised everyone by scoring A grade. Now what happened? The boy who did not get good marks any time, at the end of the semester it was seen that he had gained A grade. Everyone was surprised with this. Patrick also, because he also did not believe that he had gained any. Okay, actually it was achieved only through his own hard work. And how did Patrick gain A grade, score A grade? By his own hard work. He was thinking that the elf was helping him, but the reality was it was Patrick himself who was completing the homework and doing hard work. His teachers, parents and friends wondered for the positive changes in his personality. Now there was a good change, you can say, a positive change in Patrick. And with this positive change, everybody was surprised and happy. And who were they? The teachers, Patrick's parents and Patrick's friends. All of them were very happy that now Patrick has a positive change. Okay, he became the inspiration for others. Now when you do something good, people inspire from you. They ask you, how have you done it? And they also try to be like that. Same happened with Patrick. He was not a good learner, not good in doing the homework. When all of a sudden such a big change came in him, he started doing hard work. He became an inspiration for others. He did all his course means all kind of work by himself. Now what kind of work did he do? Okay, like cleaning of his room, you can say, and cleaning room, keeping the books, keeping his books in place, doing the homework properly, learning everything. Okay, all such kind of works were done by him. Okay, he was liked and appreciated by everyone. Now everyone started liking and appreciating him because now he had become a good boy. He had started doing hard work. He had started learning. He had started completing his homework. Everything was liked by now his parents and his friends and teachers. While helping the elf, Patrick had learned to do hard work, and finally the success was his, not that of the elf. Now when he was helping the elf, all the work was done by Patrick himself. So whatever hard work was done was finally the success of Patrick, not of the elf. So what did you learn from this lesson? From this lesson we have seen that if you try to do hard work, you can gain success. Okay, you don't have to lose your hopes, or don't think that you can't do it. You can try and at last you will get the success. Okay, same here happened with Patrick also. He didn't want to do the homework at all because he found it very hard. But when he started practicing, when he started doing hard work, he found that it was an easy task. He can do the homework by doing a little of hard work. When you study daily, guys, when you study daily, okay, one thing, when you study daily, at the end of the semester, it won't be hard for you. But when you sit at the end of the semester to study everything while the time of examination, but natural, it is going to be a hard for you because you have not even had a look on the answers or the exercise for the whole year. So please give a little time for your hard work, whether it is anything, studies, games, whatever you play, drawing or anything. If you practice daily or do hard work daily, it would be easy for you to gain the marks or gain success in any field. Okay? Now let's move to the word meanings. This is the end of the chapter. Okay? Where we had seen that Patrick did not like to do the homework at all. But when he started doing hard work, when he started doing the work by himself, he got success. Okay? Though he felt that he was doing it for the elf, but the reality is he was not doing it for the elf, he was doing it for himself. Now with the word meanings. Word meanings, our first word is ignoramus. I-G-N-O-R-A-M-U-S. Ignoramus. Okay? What is the meaning of it? Its meaning is an ignorant man. What is the meaning of it? Its meaning is an ignorant person. Okay? Second meaning is grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. Grabbed means seized suddenly. S-E-I-Z-E-D. Seized suddenly. Next is breeches. B-R-I-T-C-H-E-S. Breeches means short trousers. Short trousers, okay? The pants which you wear, but the shorter ones. Next is yelled. Y-E-L-L-E-D. Yelled means, here you can say to shout, to cry. Cry, but how? In a loud voice, okay? So here it's been given cried. C-R-I-E-D. Okay? Hamper. H-A-M-P-E-R. Hamper means a basket with a lid. Hamper means a basket with a lid. Lid means to cover it. Okay? Lid means to cover it. Cursed. C-U-R-S-E-D. Cursed. Cursed means damned. D-A-M-N-E-D. Damned. Next is squeaked. Squeaked. S-Q-U-E-A-K-E-D. Squeaked. Squeaked means uttered shrilly. Okay? When you say something in a very thin voice. Uttered shrilly. Squeaked, uttered shrilly. Next is shrieked. S-H-R-I-E-K-E-D. Shrieked. Shrieked means screamed. S-C-R-E-A-M-E-D. Screamed. Okay. Next is weary. W-E-A-R-Y. Weary. Weary means tired. Okay? When you get tired after playing, after doing hard work. So, weary. W-E-A-R-Y. Weary means tired. Next is slyly. Okay? The elf moved out of the back door slyly. Slyly means secretively, without knowing. Okay? Slyly, S-L-Y-L-Y. Slyly means secretively. Next is amazed. A-M-A-Z-E-D. Amazed means wondered. Amazed means wondered. Everybody was amazed when Patrick had a good change, has a positive change. Okay, so here amazed means wondered. Okay, I'll read all the words again. Ignoramus, grabbed, breeches, yelled, hamper, cursed, squeaked, shrieked, weary, slyly, and amazed. Okay, moving to the next question is, you can say it is a match the following, but in this match the following you have to match the opposite. Okay, like up, then you have to match it after searching it in the B column where this the opposite of up. Opposite of up is down, so you have to search is where down is. Okay, so match the following using in column A, words in column A with their opposite meaning in column B. Okay, first one is hated. Hated, what is the meaning of hated? Meaning of hated is liked. Meaning of hated is liked. So hated, liked. Okay, next is tall. Tall means very tall. The building is very tall. Okay, the man is very tall. And how was the elf? The elf was very short, tiny. So tall, the opposite of tall is short. Opposite of tall is short. Next is high. The kite flies high in the sky. High means to go very up. Okay, and the opposite of high is low. Okay, next, better. Better, worse. Better means something good, worse means something very bad. Okay, very good, very bad. So better, the opposite of better is worse. Beginning. Beginning, to start something. When something starts also something ends. So the opposite of beginning is end. Okay, and hard. Hard, the stone is hard and the cotton is soft. So the opposite of hard is soft. Okay, I repeat all the answers again. See if you have matched it properly. Hated, liked, tall, short, high, low, better, worse, beginning, end, and hard is soft. Okay, moving to the fill in the blanks. Note it down. Fill in the blanks. The words in the box are the words that describe the movement. Movement means you can say like verbs, action word. Okay, action word. Use them to fill the blanks in the sentences given below. Now you can see a box given below. In that box the words are been given. You have to write that words in the blank. Okay, which are going to match. First one, Patrick dash hockey and basketball. Patrick, what Patrick? Patrick hockey and basketball. What is Patrick going to do with hockey and basketball? He is going to play. Okay, so here it is played. The word is played. Okay, Patrick played hockey and basketball. Next, he found his cat dash with a doll. What was his cat doing with the doll? His cat was playing. So here the word is playing. Second blank is playing. He found his cat playing with a doll. Okay. Number 3, the elf dashed to do Patrick's homework. The elf began to. The elf began to do Patrick's homework. Okay. Number 4, Patrick was dash harder than ever. Now what was Patrick doing? Patrick was, what he was doing harder? He was working. So the answer is Patrick was working harder than ever. Number 5, he was dashed to school in spite of tiredness. He was going to school. Though Patrick was tired for the whole day when he used to help the elf and do his work, homework and everything. Okay. In spite of that also, he had to go to school. So number 5 is going. He was going to school in spite of tiredness. Number 6, he would have dash in whatever way. He would have to help. Now the elf was doing the homework. If the elf was not comfortable in any subject, Patrick had to help him. So number 6 is he would have to help him in whatever way. Okay. So this were the fill in the blanks. Moving to next is find the odd ones. Find the odd ones. Okay. Surprised, wondered, advised, amazed. Which is the answer? Surprised, wondered, advised, again amazed. What are you going to strike from this? I'll tell you the meaning of all, then you think and take. Then you think and circle it. Okay. Surprised means to get surprised when something has been done. Wondered, same. Surprised, to get surprised. Amazed, again same, to get surprised. But all in some, all of the words are being used in the proper way of sentence. Okay. Everywhere you cannot say surprise. Advised means to give advice to someone. Some good advice. Do this, don't do that. So now which is the one? It is the advised. Here the odd one is advised. Yelled, promised, cried and shouted. Yelled, shout. Cried means also shout. Shout, it's automatically shout. So promise is to promise something. When you say someone that I will help you, then you are surely to be on your words and help that person. So here the odd one is promised. Okay. Next, cheerful. Cheerful. Angry, pleased, happy. Cheerful, I am very cheerful today. Happy. Okay. Pleased, also happy, and happy is happy itself. So here angry. Angry cannot be happy. Angry means to get angry from someone. Right? So here our odd one is angry. Next, help, assist, look, cooperate. Help means to help someone. Assist also means to help someone. Okay. And cooperate is also one kind of a meaning where you can say to help someone. So here our odd one is look. L-O-O-K. Next, illiterate, arrogant, uneducated. Illiterate. Illiterate means the one who is not educated. Arrogant means the person who has attitude, does not talk to you properly. Arrogant person. And uneducated is again the person who has no education. So here our odd one is arrogant. Next, grabbed, seized, captured, arrived. Arrived means to enter, to come. Okay. And grabbed, seized and captured means to take away something from someone. Right? So here our odd one is arrived. Okay. So all the odd ones have been done. I'll repeat only the answers. In number A, it is advised. Number B, promised. Number C, angry. Number D, look. Number E, arrogant, and number F is arrived. Okay, now moving to the main question answers. Please start noting down. Now moving to the question and answers, our first question is, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? And what was it really? Okay, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with, and what was it really? Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a doll. Okay, and but really, was it a doll? No. In reality, it was a very small sized man. And what is that small sized man called? That small sized man is called an elf. Okay, so what is the answer to this question? The answer is, Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a doll, but in reality it was a very small sized man, an elf. Moving to question number 2. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Question repeat again. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Answer is, the little man granted Patrick a wish as Patrick had saved his life from the cat. Why did the elf grant Patrick a wish? Because Patrick had saved his life from the cat. So the answer to this question is, the little man granted Patrick a wish as Patrick had saved his life from the cat. Next question, what was Patrick's wish? Now what was Patrick's wish? Patrick hated doing homework. So he made a wish that the little man should do all his homework till the end of the session. What did Patrick wish? Patrick did not like to do the homework. Everybody knows, right? Now he had got someone to do the homework. So what did he put out the wish? He said that the little man should do all his homework till the end of the session. Okay, moving to next question. Let's see what it is. In what subjects? Next question is, in what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Right? While learning to the story, we had seen that Patrick was, the elf was not comfortable in maths, English and history. Okay, so for such kind of subjects, he needed help with Patrick. He needed help from Patrick. So here the question is also asking us the same thing. In what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Okay, answer is, the little man was weak in maths, English and history. So he needed Patrick's help in these subjects. Okay, the little man was weak in which subjects? Maths, English and history. And so he needed Patrick's help in these subjects. Okay. Next question. How did Patrick help him? Now how did Patrick help him? Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him to do the homework. Okay. What did Patrick do? Patrick sat beside the elf and guided him how the homework is to be done. Moreover, he brought books from library and read out to him. And what did more Patrick do? Patrick used to bring the books from the library and read out for elf. Okay, and this is the way Patrick helped the elf. I repeat the answer. Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him to do the homework. Moreover, he brought books from library and read out to him. Next, who do you think did Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give reasons of your answer. Okay. Now you have heard the whole story. In the whole story, after hearing it, what do you feel? Who did Patrick's homework? Was it the elf who did the homework, or was it the Patrick himself who did the homework? Answer. It was Patrick himself who actually did all the homework, because he had to assist the elf again and again with guidance and book. Okay, the whole guidance was given by Patrick. Okay, so here the answer is, it was the Patrick himself who actually did all the homework, because he had to assist the elf again and again. Okay, now next are the comprehension. I'll only read the comprehension and the answer for you. You have to search the answers by your own. You have to write down that comprehension and question and answers of it. Okay, answers are going to be done by yourself. Passage for comprehension number 1. Read the following passages carefully and answers the questions given below. Answer the questions given below. I'll read the passage, I'll read the questions. You have to only pay the attention and answer the questions by yourself. Okay, let's start. Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. And it's true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. But what could he do? He hated homework. Okay? Questions? What is Nintendo? Nintendo is a video game. Okay. What is Nintendo? Question number 2. Why did Patrick not do homework? Why did Patrick not do the homework? The answer is there itself in the passage. Okay. What warning did his teachers give him? What warning was Patrick given by his teachers? The warning is there. Okay. So you have to write the answers, search the answers from the passage and write it. Next one. Moving to the next passage. Passage number 2. And true to his words, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. This was the passage. Now I read the question. What problem did the little man face? What problem did the little man face? Question number 2. How did Patrick help the elf? Okay, and the last one is, why did the elf agree to do Patrick's homework? Why did the elf agree to do Patrick's homework? Because Patrick had saved elf's life. Okay, moving to the last passage. Passage number 3. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were all full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf, but Patrick had done it himself. Pick out a word from the above extract. Now I am reading the questions. I have completed the passage, reading of the passage. Now I am reading the questions. Pick out a word from the above extract that means opposite of gloomy. Opposite of gloomy is cheerful. Okay, you have to search the word from that. How did Patrick become a model boy? And last, who do you think did Patrick's homework? Okay, so these were the comprehensions. You have to search the answer by yourself. It is called scene passages. Scene passages because it is related with your chapter. Okay, note down each and every word meaning and question answers. Comprehension, you have to note down the passage also and the question answers. Okay, fine. We have completed chapter 1. We will soon meet in the next session with some other new topic. Till then, take care of your health. Please study well. Hope to meet all you soon.